Hi everyone. I'm gonna show you the largest pool in the world according to them. And here, yan, super duper ganda. Nakikita nyo yung Burj Khalifa, the longest ever building in the world. So yan po, paikot. Yung pool na yan, paikot. Going there. Hindi ko po naikot to. It's my first time coming here actually. So, that's it for now. All I can say. Swimming pool pa lang po yan. Hindi po yan dagat. Okay? So, sana meron din tayo sa Pinas. The longest forever. Meron. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.